Okay, let's stop doing factoring just by memorizing the process. Let's see why that process works, okay, by visualizing it. All right, let's work through it with this particular example. Okay, so we want to factor this, just understanding how these three terms fit. So x squared is an x by x. Visually, it's an x by x square. Okay, so here's x, here's x. Okay, so we want to now form a nice square or a rectangle to represent this as a product of two different expressions. So we have x and x. So preferably we want some length here so that it becomes a rectangle or a square. Now we have 9 and 6. So 6x. So one side definitely has to be x. So the question is, what should this length be? Okay, here's where our try and error process comes in. What two numbers multiply to 9 but adds up to 6? And it's clearly 3 times 3, right? 3 plus 3 gives you that. That tells us that this should be 3. That makes this area 3x and also this area, right, x by 3, so 3x as well, 3x. Now, if this is x and this is 3, this is also 3 and this is also 3. Multiplying those through 3 times by 3 will give you area of 9. So look, we have x squared here, 3x will add up to 6x, and lastly 9 at the end. Therefore, all these parts here is equivalent to x plus 3 times by another x plus 3. That's exactly a square, right? So that's why we can write this as x plus 3 all squared. Does that make sense? Okay. So that's the first example of using algebra tiles to make sense of why some of these three things, this trinomial can be turned into a binomial squared. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next.